This is going to be a quick unboxing and a short review of the iPhone SE. For more videos on the iPhone SE, make sure to subscribe. Here I have the newly released iPhone SE in every color. I have the product red, the black, and the white. The best thing about this iPhone is the value. So this might actually be the iPhone for you. The portrait of the iPhone on the box is embossed and the wallpapers are absolutely stunning. I hope Apple provides these at some point. I'm going to try and find these on the net somewhere. I'm not going to unbox all three at the same time, so let's start with the product red. All these iPhone SE that I have here are in 64GB, and I love how Apple put these little detail on the boxes. That felt good. You get the Designed by Apple in California booklet. In this product red version, you get the product red card. Just to make you aware, until September 30th, Apple is partnering with RØDE to redirect 100% of all eligible proceeds from product red purchases to the Global Fund's COVID-19 Response Fund. So yeah, go get the red one, guys, if you can. You get the user guide, SIM card removal pin, terms and condition, and of course the Apple stickers. I'm a little sad that they aren't in red though. Take this out, put it to one side. You get the same earpods with lightning connector, lightning to USB cable, and USB power adapter. Let's just get the other ones opened up. The content of the box is the same. Yep, no colored Apple stickers. Everything else is same here, so let's just put this to one side. Love this sound. Let's turn these around. So you've got the black, the white, and the red. I definitely love the red. It's my favorite for sure. iPhone SE packs the same chip as the iPhone 11, but in the most popular size for affordable price. So let's start here. If you get the 64GB, it will cost you £419. The 128GB will be for $469, and the 256 for $569. Bear in mind, guys, you can still pick up an iPhone 10 for far less than this. The back of the iPhone is glass and the frame is made from aluminum. It has 4-point-inch Retina HD display with the A13 Bionic chip, so you're getting a good performance boost with this iPhone. Because of the A13 chip, everything feels fluid, whether you're going to be launching apps, playing latest games, or exploring new ways to work and play with AR. Apple has updated the rear camera on this iPhone, so no, it's not the same as iPhone 8. So no, I don't want to hear people saying, oh, it's got the same camera as the iPhone 8, because it hasn't. It's got a 12 megapixel wide camera with f1.8 aperture, so you can get some nice wide angle shots. It opens up possibilities like the portrait mode, which blurs the background to focus on your subject. So you'll be able to apply effects like the studio light, natural light, contour light, and so on. You're able to record in 4K at 24 frames per second, 30 or 60 frames per second. The front camera is a 7 megapixel f2.2 aperture, which will allow you to take portrait mode selfies. You can't take those selfies though. There is no Face ID, so you get the same home button that a lot of you guys like. And for the first time, Apple got rid of all the iPhone branding from the back of the iPhone. So it's a clean looking iPhone. You can see my iPhone 8 has the branding. Talking about the iPhone 8, can you tell the difference between the two? That's right, they are the same. If you look carefully, the red is slightly brighter on the SE than on the 8. And also the Apple logo is centered. Put a case on and no one will know if you have an SE or an 8. Let me know if you were excited for this iPhone to be released. Are you going to get one? And if you are, then what color are you going to get? I'm going to be making a couple of more videos on the SE, so make sure to subscribe, share the video as well, and hit the like button. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.